In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to indicate career progression within one company on LinkedIn. This is a great way to showcase your growth and development while being with a single employer and can truly enhance your professional profile to potential connections and employers. First, you'll want to head to linkedin.com. Once you're there, go ahead and sign in. You can choose to log in with Google or Microsoft, whichever you prefer, or simply use your email address and password. Now, when it comes to illustrating your career progression within the same company in your LinkedIn profile, it's important to list each role as a separate experience entry. Think of it like stacking blocks, with each block representing a new stage in your career journey. This method adds clear and distinct layers to your profile, which helps visitors accurately assess your career trajectory. As you're entering these experiences, make sure that the company name for each role remains consistent. This continuity not only shows it's the same organization, but it also keeps your profile looking neat and professional. Consistency is key here, as it helps make your progression appear streamlined and logical to those viewing your profile. Each role should be treated as a separate experience entry. Even though it's within the same organization, each entry should uniquely reflect the responsibilities and achievements associated with that position. Think of each new entry as an opportunity to highlight how you've grown and evolved over time. It's also really important to use clear and descriptive job titles for each position you've held. Accurate job titles help reflect your career progression, making it easier for others to understand what you've accomplished and how you've advanced in your roles. Don't forget to include the start and end dates for each role. The timeline of your career progression is an important aspect of your professional story, and it gives more depth to each experience. These dates act like milestones on your career roadmap, guiding viewers through your journey. Another key point is to showcase results. Whenever possible, quantify your achievements. This not only demonstrates the impact of your work, but it also highlights your contributions. Think about how you've benefited the company, the projects you led, or the innovations you introduced. Numbers can speak volumes. Lastly, make it a habit to keep your LinkedIn profile up to date as you continue to advance in your career. Regular updates ensure that your latest accomplishments and roles are accurately represented, making sure your profile remains fresh and relevant. Remember, reflecting your career progression accurately and clearly on your LinkedIn profile can be a great advantage. It gives prospective employers and connections a comprehensive view of your career path, showcasing your dedication and ambition in a competitive market.